Welcome to our instructional video on simplifying the integer exponent problem, 3 to the power of 3 plus 2 squared. In this video, we will walk through step by step on how to solve this problem. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Begin by evaluating the terms with exponents separately. The original expression is 3 raised to the third power plus 2 raised to the second power. To understand this better, we can break it down by calculating each exponentiation one at a time. First, look at 3 raised to the third power. This means multiplying 3 by itself 3 times, so 3 times 3 equals 9. Then multiply that result by 3 again. 9 times 3 equals 27. Therefore, 3 raised to the third power equals 27. Next, evaluate 2 raised to the second power. This means multiplying 2 by itself. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Therefore, 2 raised to the second power equals 4. After evaluating the exponents, the expression simplifies to 27 plus 4. We now have an expression without any exponents, 27 plus 4. Step 2. Now perform the addition operation on the simplified expression. Recall from step 1 that we simplified 3 raised to the third power to 27 and 2 raised to the second power to 4. This means the expression has changed from having exponents to a simple addition problem of 27 plus 4. To carry out this addition, start from the left and proceed to the right. Begin with the number 27 and add the number 4 to it. One way to visualize this is by counting forward from 27, adding 4 units, 28, 29, 30, 31. Thus, 27 plus 4 equals 31. At this point, the original complex expression with exponents has been fully simplified. The simplest form of the expression 3 raised to the third power plus 2 raised to the second power is 31. This is the final step in solving the problem. We successfully simplified the integer exponent problem to the integer 31. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.